Let the damn bird decide. Guided by the spirit of George Washington, may you, John Smith, lead us to the state that offers the worst establishment of the United States of America. He dropped the chain. It hit the floor harder than Michigan's economy. I didn't trust him, but he's thinking, he's present. He's communicating with his land, with the founding fathers. Wisconsin! Wisconsin, I knew it! I knew from the beginning you would pick something from here, from this part. We're going to the north, the state of beer and cheese. Vlad, aren't you excited? Ladies and gentlemen, thanks to this incredible turkey, John Smith, we are going to Wisconsin.
Bruce, John's a genius. He picked Wisconsin.